Welcome back to the Furious Garage. Making progress on Letty's 240.
Over there, in.
And just like that, the subframe is out. Oh, Derek. Alright, so we pulled the subframe, and the reason why is this right here in this condition is unacceptable to be back in the car, right?
It's filthy.
It's filthy. And when we did Monica,
it was filthy.
It was filthy, but it was rusty as well. I think it was, when we did Monica, I think that kind of put something in our brain that now every subframe gets dropped, all suspension gets broken apart, and that's the way to restore it properly. So that's what we're going to do. Everything will get cleaned. This is going to be painted. We might do some different colors on the suspension. We're not exactly sure yet. But, all right, man. Have at it.
Never help?
Sure. So all the suspension's broken down, the subframe is broken down. This is gonna get sanded, painted, or powder coated, we're not sure yet.
Don't be a cheap ass, get powder coated.
If you ever wonder what a S14 rear subframe looks like, bare naked?
Now you do.
Let's go look at the back of the car. We're going to be dropping the gas tank as well, and painting the whole underside of this with undercoating. But all in all, it's looking good. Lots of progress being made. Kind of like, you know, when we were doing something else, we kind of rip into something a little further than what we had initially thought, but it is what it is. It's what we got to do. Make it look absolutely perfect. Top side and underside.
One bushing is $110.
What?
For a factory bushing, it says right here.
So we're looking at energy suspension bushings.
Yeah, but it says you have to reuse the existing outer metal. I have to pretty much burn all the rubber away and then use the shell. So I don't even have to take them out. I just cut it out and I have to reuse. So I have to press it out, get all the rubber out of it, and then reuse it.
How bad are they?
It's all spreader cracking.
There's a total of 6, right? You got 4 for the.
This is diff.
Yeah, but it comes with diff as well, no?
No.
Okay. So it's just got 4.
Yeah.
Well, we've come this far, man. It's almost like we have to.
Yeah, I'm gonna weld this out. Okay, push this out and then use the inner side of the. Damn, it's gonna fucking stop. Why can't you just come with the shells? So we kind of changed our mind again. So we're going to leave the motor on this ATV jack and the pallet or the jack stand in the back, and we're going to lift the body up and undercoat the entire underside of the car.
And this was something that we probably should have done in the beginning, but I don't know. I guess we got a little bit overzealous and a little ahead of ourselves. But better late than never, because once this is all together, you don't want to do it then. So again, the end goal is to completely bulletproof this thing from the underside to the top side, so we'll spend the extra time, energy by undercoating the underside of it to prevent any rust. I'm going to take this little makeshift
I'm pretty sure he melted the master cylinder probably.
Yeah, that would be the only reason for this little piece of, I don't know if this was made out of a Bud Light can, or maybe what, a Dr. Pepper can, or something. Anyways. Okay, engine is back out. Again. But it's okay, because we got one shot of doing this right, and we're going to do it right. Right?
Right.
Okay. So, here's the underside. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. But
we already pressure washed it.
Yeah, we already pressure washed it and kind of did a clean on it when we first got it. But we're going to go ahead and blow some undercoating spray underneath of this just because. Nice preventative measure to do so. And I won't ever have to worry pretty much about rust, especially since we are in Florida. But again, it's just kind of peace of mind to know that the underside has been undercoated, so we're going to go ahead and do that. So we got some cleaning we got to do. We got the engine on a what it considers to be an engine stand. It's my ATV jack and a jack stand and some wood.
Some pookiness.
You know, right now with the cost of lumber, that wood right there is probably worth a good amount. Maybe we can sell it. I don't
No, we're not selling my wood.
know. All right. Anyway, so we're gonna clean the underside, spray some undercoating spray, and go from there. And then put the engine back up. I'm gonna drop this little front piece of subframe right here out. That's gonna go to powder coat, and that's about it.
So, but we gotta like scrub this whole thing with Prep-All.
So what we're about to do is prep all the undercarriage of this, which is kind of like a heavy degreaser. Can't reach.
Hold on.
I can't reach.
Five hours later.
That's like made out of like some tin can thing.
This is straight up recycled
This
Dr.
is-
Pepper. Wait,
No,
Dr.
it's
Pepper.
not Dr.
I
Pepper.
think you made this, didn't you?
No, I did not make this.
If you
This
made
is
it-
like stuff you buy from Home Depot and a little sheet aluminum or something.
Yeah.
We can get them to make it out of it. It's just gonna be.
See how much he'll charge us.
Is that on linear?
Act like you like him. Is it on linear? What? Like,
It's not on the fishbowl thing, right?
I know it's on the fishbowl.
Why?
I'm just joking. Come on, guys.
yeah.
But you
No, we
guys
can
can
see it right
yeah, I was
there,
gonna say
yeah.
you guys can see yourself right there, right?
I can't see that far.
Dude,
This is
put on some damn glasses. You see Grandpa?
We'll do one take. I've got Derek's glasses on. He's got no glasses.
I had to get a little overspray off my glasses yesterday. I got home, driving home, my glasses is so cloudy. I get home, I take my glasses off, there's like black spots.
All right, ready? Welcome back to the Furious Garage. We now have Letty's car up on. You son of a dude! You gotta bring the energy, you jackass! Get out of here! Oh
Derek.
my god!
I am, I'm laughing. All right.
Derek,
Go
come on.
ahead.
Making progress on Letty's 240. Derek went ahead and undercoated the car this morning.
Yesterday and today.
So she has complete Under Armour going
Yep.
on.
The back quarters were replaced.
Right.
Right on driver's side, and then on that side it was starting to show a little bit of rust, and we just did it to preserve the whole thing.
Right.
So just so we don't have to worry about
Exactly.
rust ever happening.
And when we decided to drop a subframe and all that, you know, to take that extra step, it really didn't take
No.
that much longer to do. And now preservation is everything, and that's what we're all about. Engine is ready to rock and roll to go back in the car, but this morning we have this mess right
Yep.
here to bring. This right here is going to powder coating. We have a great sponsor by the name of Dad's Powder Coating, and they're going to go ahead and rock all these parts for us. That way we can get it back in this car. It's going to happen, it's going there. But the cool thing is we're going to do this in Paul Walker's F-150 Lightning. This is his actual screen used F-150 Lightning. This will get a full restoration just like Letty's car, but not right this moment. But right now it's become the shop parts runner. It's become the Furious Garage parts runner truck, just like it was in the film in Fast and the Furious. Who would have thought? We picked up Letty's car from the paint shop with this, with a trailer behind it, and now we're going to load up all these parts and bring it to powder coat using the truck, which is
Better than my
insane.
truck.
Right now we're dropping off Letty's parts to powder coat using Paul Walker's F-150 Lightning. We only use this truck for short distances, and it is not really running all that great.
No, we got was this caliper the right
Yeah, I
first
think we got
caliper is
a
locked up?
brake caliper locking up on us and stuff like that. But
It's alright.
right now it's the Furious Garage parts runner. It's retired from Harry's,
Yeah.
the Racer's Edge. So now it's property of the Furious Garage, and we will run parts until its restoration is ready. Which we got probably 2-3 cars before this. The powder coating company that we're working with right now, they're being really gracious enough to sponsor us. Derek can't use the fucking camera, much less a suction cup. How he turns.
Hey man, what you doing? See if you can match that.
You have a yellow post that by chance, just for the sway bars?
Pretty damn close right there. But isn't the decals on the side like bright yellow?
Yeah. What do you have in stock? I don't want you to have to custom order anything, man.
Let's go look.
Enjoying our coffee? You know it's like,
It's my good
what, 11 o'clock?
It's 11 o'clock, yeah, on a Sunday.
11:30?
Yeah. But all in all, man, I'm excited about Letty's 240. I think this thing is coming together quite nice.
Oh yeah. A masterpiece.
It's going to be a masterpiece when it's not. It certainly is, man. It's taken a little bit longer than what we initially thought, but it is what it is. You can't rush perfection.
No, Gabe, you can't.
Ah, you can, though. You can keep it on track.
This is the stuff I have to deal with.
I'm like,
He wants perfection and he wants it done now. I'm like, dude, it doesn't work like that. I'm not 10 of me. I'm 1 of me. Sometimes I'm a half of me. It's just depending on how tired I am.
sometimes you're not even all there.
That's how tired I am.
I get a lot of production out of you when you have a lot of torch and pepper. So
I haven't had one yet today.
you haven't
Explains a
what?
lot.
That explains everything.
I had my coffee this morning though. I wonder what that's for. Fucking Hondas.
Fucking Honda kid. Why don't you show your
Hey,
creation
just so
there?
your fender and your hood doesn't match, just so you know.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
It's faded carbon fiber.
It's the car.
Most definitely will do.
I remember when you were dead set against the carbon fiber hood. No, I don't want to do that.
Oh, I've seen some cars.
Red seats. Mm.
Yeah, I was supposed to get red seats.
They're right there.
To turn that ECU,
They're up there.
but you didn't.
Red seats are up there.
I know, the red seats.
Those are his.
Oh, we got some red seats over there.
Those are also his.
No, they ain't. Those Momos are mine. You can have them. Go get them redone.
I'm not gonna get them redone.
Why
They're
not?
non-adjustable.
I thought you wanted to track this thing.
Not right now. I'm got to daily this thing for like another 2 years before
You could
I-
daily and track a Honda.